been going downhill for a lot of years, one house at a time. They just tore 2 more houses down on Pearson and Horton the other day. And as you look around the neighborhood, it's vacant. It's just vacant. I mean, I got a beautiful house. I enjoy my home. I'm not going to let it fall down around me, so I keep investing my money in keeping it fixed up. But I can't sell it. There's no way I could ever recover the property value that it's worth, really worth, not what the state says it's worth, because I'm in the dead zone is what I call it, the no service zone.
Well, you gotta take that up downtown.
Think I won't?
See, that's what you gotta do.
Think I won't? I ain't no joke when it come to talking. I can talk.
Yeah, I can talk too, but
yeah, but you ain't never heard of a woman like me. They call me Mama E because I got the rap, I got the flow. I will let it go.
I will take my money and make improvements on my place and just stay here. But I prefer not to now. I'm older now. But I did the fight when I was younger, and I did the improvements, and I just knew the city was going to come back in and revitalize. And they haven't. They haven't. Extreme home makeover. Move me out. I'm ready.